Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Vivo V20. So after waiting for almost 30 to 35 days, we got a new update on our phone, that is Vivo V20 2020 model. So let's begin with that. So currently installed version is 1.71.4 and we got the new update that is ending with 1.72.1, which is approximately 163 MB. So now let's go over the change log. So as per system changes, they have just upgraded or updated to the very latest September 2021 Google security patch. It might have been good if they might have provided us October 2021 Google security patch, because it's almost 8 to 9 days that Google has already released it. But again, it's good that we at least got last month's security patch. And apart to this, the other changes related to network, where they have improved the instability of Wi-Fi devices and so on. So before I press on download and install button, let me confirm few things with you. So with my previous version, the Wide1 certification was showing L3, but I think 10 to 15 days back, I just moved to the Vivo Service Center to get it correctly or rectified it. And luckily, I got security level L1. For this, they have replaced the hardware for this Wide1 certification. So if someone is again facing these particular issue, then I will surely recommend them to go to any of their nearby Vivo Service Center. If your phone is under warranty, then I would say this is a perfect time to get it right. So now let's move to the about phone section, where we can check few things. Like at present, we have a security level, or I would say security patch level of 1st August 2021, and aside to that, compile time was 13 August and so on. So now, without wasting any time, let's tap on, I would say, download and install button. And once it will be done, then I'll come back and I'll discuss if I'll find any new thing has been added to this particular update. So stay tuned till then. So finally our phone has been restarted. Now let's move to the settings section to confirm like whether the proper install, like whatsoever they have mentioned in changelog has been confirmed or not. So like you can see, security patch level has been updated to 1st September 2021. Compile date is now 23rd September 2021. And aside to that, let's verify the Wide1 certification as well. Like before the installation, it was L1 and now even it is L1. Now this was all from my side related to the newly available update for the Vivo V20 2020 model. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.